Good morning, gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. My Bitcoin trade activated yesterday on the Fed announcement. The Fed and the SEC completely control, two guys in the American government completely control the stock markets and the crypto markets all around the world. The Fed chairman, Jeremy Powell, speaks, and then the stock market either drops massively or pumps massively, or the crypto market drops massively or pumps massively. The SEC commissioner, Gary Gensler, talks and the crypto markets drop billions of dollars, wiping out all of our gains. It's like crazy that the fact that two men in the American government control the entire markets of cryptos and stocks. If you're American, email your senators. Go into ChatGPT or chatgod.ai, go message, how do I contact my local senators? And message them and say that two men holding power over your entire financial assets is not the way that the capitalism works. It's not the way the American system works. Two Fed speaks. Jerome Powell spoke yesterday, and the stock markets dropped massively after he spoke. They paused the interest rates. They're not increasing interest rates, but then so the market pumped. Then after, in his speech, he said that they will increase the interest rates 2 more times this year, and they don't expect to reduce them for many years. After he said that, then the crypto markets and stock markets plummeted. So that's Jerome Powell speaking. Gary Gensler opened a case against Binance and Coinbase last week and dropped the crypto markets to $200 billion. We went from 1.2 trillion to 1 trillion, $200 billion drop. They're meant to protect investors, but they'd wiped out 200 billion from the crypto markets. If you're an American citizen, Google how to contact my senators and contact them, call them and email them and tell them that what is happening in the crypto and stock markets, and this control by two people in the Fed and the SEC controlling and devastating your assets and your investments, is not the way capitalism works. It's not the way American government is meant to be doing things. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin trade activated yesterday after the Fed spoke, after Jerome Powell spoke and said they're not increasing interest rates, but then that they will increase interest rates 2 times this year. So that made massive swings. My Bitcoin trade activated, then instantly hit the stop loss after those announcements. My Ethereum trade, it also spiked. It dropped 5% on Ethereum and 5% on Bitcoin, wiping out around 50 to 100 billion from the markets. My Ethereum trade is now active. It came down and activated the Ethereum trade. I'm going to jump into those trades now. I'm going to show you how I trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, what stocks that I buy and sell. In these videos, they're free. Every day I make usually 1 or 2 videos for 3.5 years showing what I buy in crypto, what I buy and sell in stocks, how I trade them, and you can learn for free watching my videos. And you have to make your own due diligence, your own financial decisions, be responsible for yourself. I'm showing you what I do with my money. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin, and you can see the devastation yesterday that the Fed caused. Straight off the bat, SUI down 2%, Tesla was up around 2%, 3%, then the Fed spoke and it dropped 1%. Not so much, not such a big drop actually in the markets. Intel down 5%, SMR down 4%, SMR and Intel holding up strong on that dump. Uniswap also holding on strong on that dump. I bought a lot of Uniswap recently. Look at that dump got eaten very quickly. So in my opinion, Uniswap is showing major strength here with that announcement from the SEC and the Fed, and no major drops on Uniswap. MCRT also barely dropping on that news, which is beautiful. MCRT not moving really on the Fed announcement or the SEC announcements. And volume constantly increasing on MCRT. You have to do your own due diligence. I am the founder of MCRT. FXS dumping a little bit. Let's go into Bitcoin 25K. It activated my trade yesterday and then automatically closed it because of the dump. It was too strong of a dump. It dumped around 5% Bitcoin. We went from 26,000 all the way down to 24,700. So when Jerome Powell spoke and said they're not increasing interest rates, but then later said that they're increasing interest rates 2 more times this year and not going to decrease them for many years, it dropped Bitcoin 5%. Unfortunately, activated that trade yesterday and then hit my stop loss, but that's what stop losses are for. It's come close to my main trade activation now. This is the bigger trade activation that I've been looking at for a while. If you've been following my videos, I sold when I was in Greece. If you guys remember, in Santorini, I sold Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies here at 29K. Now we're down to 24,000. So that was a really 25,000. So that was a really good sell I saved myself in Bitcoin around 16%, and I saved a lot of you, but also the crypto markets, I saved massive percentage, some of them dropping 30% since then. Bitcoin is climbing in this channel. You can see since 16K at the beginning of the year, went up to 30K, and it's coming down. The bottom of this channel is here. The bottom of this channel is coming close. You can see we're very close. And this yellow line I drew, this yellow dotted line I drew back here. I drew it on the 6th of June. Now we're at the 15th of June, and we're very close to my target. I predicted this beautifully. If you followed my drawing when I drew it on the 6th of June, we're playing out perfectly. We dropped from 27K, and it's been following this yellow line down all the way to 24K. This is where I want to go long from this major support on Bitcoin. I mean, to add the long here yesterday was quite risky, but that's why I had a tight stop loss. The best place to go long on Bitcoin is actually here on this major area of support and this trend line. It could wick down to 24,165. So this is the long that I would take on Bitcoin. When you're looking at it, it's coming against this resistance many times, and it's coming here. It's getting squeezed between this symmetrical triangle, which is now a continuation pattern. Usually they break out towards the upside, and the target will be the top of that channel, 37,000. 35K is a very strong resistance. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 24,242, stop loss 23,800, and take profit 37,000. I'm going to set this trade right now over on Bybit. If you want to trade like you're going to see me trade, under this video, in the description and the pinned comment of this video, so if you go down below under the video, you can go in the description and you can sign up using these steps. 1, 2, 3. Sign up to the jamescryptoguru.com/promos. You can take the crypto master course, the stock master course, where you'll learn how to set up charts. If you've been wanting to learn how to trade, wanting to learn how to set up your charts on TradingView like I do, learn how to trade crypto, take the crypto master course. More than 7,000 students. Also the stock guru master course you can find there as well. And trading exchange 30K bonus if you trade over on Bybit. That's where I do most of my trades. If you go under the video and you sign up to number 2, you get a $30,000 bonus. This is the exchange. You have to use that link to get that $30,000 bonus when you meet the trading requirements. And you can join nearly 9,000 traders in our free Telegram. The steps 1, 2, 3 are under the video in the description of this video. Once you sign up to Bybit, you get an account like this. My Ethereum trade opened yesterday. I'll go over that as well. My account has 262,000. It's down around $2,000, $3,000 from yesterday after the Fed announcement. I've got 84,000 USDT, 2 Bitcoin, 51,000, MCRT 37,000 worth of MCRT holding on really strongly. Uniswap, I've got 15,000 Uniswap, up still 5% from yesterday. I'm going to buy another 1,000 Uniswap because it's just showing a lot of strength here. So I bought another $1,000 worth of Uniswap right now. So now I've got 16,500 in Uniswap. I'm going to I want to build around $100,000 position in Uniswap. So I'm slowly going to accumulate and I've got a lot of buy orders for Uniswap as well. FXS down 4%. I'm going to buy another $1,000 of FXS. It's down 4%, which is beautiful. I've got FX, and you can see here I've got a lot of buy orders going down. I've got FXS buy order that I just put now. FXS at $4.20, $3.90, $4.60. I'll get rid of the $4.61 because I just added another order now. $4.20. Uniswap, I've got $2, $2.80, $3.30, $3.60. I'll make a Uniswap buy at $4. $3.60. Let's make some buys at $4. I'll buy $2,000 worth at $4, and I'll buy it at $3.80. Another $2,000 of Uniswap because I just want to set up big positions on Uniswap. So you can see I've got Uniswap orders going down, FXS orders going down, and Bitcoin order at 24,500, which came close. Now I'm going to set up this Bitcoin trade that I just showed in my video. I'm going to open, so it opens the trade as you learn in the crypto master course and the stock room master course, how I set my trades. This is a full trade setup that's set already. If you're trading, guys, if you're trading and you're setting up and you're not setting your take profit, your stop loss, and the trade open before you even enter the trade, meaning you already know what's going to happen to your trade even before you enter, it means you're gambling. You need to set up your trade and know what's going to happen to that trade right in the beginning. And I'm going to show you. So here you can see how my trade opens. The trade opens here on this gray line at 24,242. Stop loss is automatically set here at 23,800 and take profit is set at 37,243. Now I go and set this trade, and you can see why I've got this trade set up, because my expectation is that yellow line bouncing here, and then going up to here. If it breaks, then it's very bad. Then 19,000 is the next. We've got another major support here, 21,000, and it's very likely that we come down here with just the way the market is right now. If we break this major area of support we're sitting on, it's not looking too good, but we're on such a strong area of support here. But again, the major one is at this 24,000. Here is the major area of support, 24,300. So I'm going to up it a little bit. So, okay, I'm going to open this trade now, 24,300. So I set the price, 24,300. You can turn your screen and lock your phone to see this. I'm going to do a 1 Bitcoin trade at 24,300. Take profit is going to be at 37,000. And stop loss is going to be at... Stop loss will be below these major supports. So here, 23,650. 23,650. So I'm risking $650 to make $12,700, which is good, but it's a little bit too much risk. I want to add more as it goes down, so I'm going to edit this. So now I'm risking $325 to make $6,300. I'm putting half a Bitcoin trade, half a Bitcoin, and I'll add more. So that trade will open at 24,300, half a Bitcoin. Actually, I'm going to make that 1 Bitcoin because it's on such a major support there. 1 Bitcoin. So I'm risking 650 to make 12,700. Open long, 24,300 is where the trade will open. 1 Bitcoin, value 24,300. It's 9x leverage. Take profit 37,000. Stop loss 23,650. Confirm, and that trade is now set. So you can see I've got that Bitcoin trade already set. Open long on Bitcoin. My Ethereum trade from yesterday also activated. If you've been following, actually not from yesterday, from a while ago, if you've been following that trade, it came down to the bottom of this channel that I've been talking about from the beginning of the year. We've got this channel bouncing here. Ethereum went to 2,100, and now it's come down to 1,600. Quite a massive drop, actually. Again, because of the SEC attack on Binance and Coinbase, Ethereum is down 24%. The SEC brought down Ethereum 24%, removing billions from the market. Again, if you're American, contact your senators, contact your local government, and tell them that the overreach of the SEC and the Fed controlling capital markets is ridiculous. This is the bounce that I would take here. My trade is already active. It came very close to activating my stop loss. It went lower than the support. My trade activated at 1,660. It came down to 1,627. My stop loss was at 1,600. So luckily, it came very close to hitting my stop loss. And to be honest, I'm not seeing a very strong bounce here. But we are on major support. You can see here all the support on Ethereum going through all of 2022. Look at this support area that we're on right now for Ethereum. There's so many bounces and touches on this line. This is a major area of support. So I do expect a bounce here, and my long is already set on Ethereum. If you haven't taken a long, taking it from... so this is the trade setup we already have set. So you can see here, I've got a 7 Ethereum trade already set. With the take profit and stop loss. If the stop loss hits, it loses $483. If the take profit hits, it makes $5,800 profit. That trade is already set. It's still down around $128 right now, this stop loss. And if you haven't opened a trade, where I would open a trade on Ethereum is from, we're on major support here. So if there's no major news that's coming, I would open it from here. This strong support. This is the trade I would take on Ethereum. Here, because of just the major support areas. If it didn't have major support areas, I wouldn't take this trade. So it's a 30 risk to reward ratio trade. We'll make 52%. I'm risking $28 to make $862 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $8,620. With 100x leverage, it's $86,000. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum, but again, only because it's on that major support. So that's my Bitcoin and Ethereum trade set. These are my buy orders for Uniswap and FXS. This is what I'm holding in my account now, $263,100, up a few $100 in the last since I recorded. I've got 2 Bitcoin, $37,000 of MCRT, $16,500 of Uniswap. FXS, I've got 2,800. I'm going to add more. I'm going to buy another FXS, another 1,000 of FXS here. But I've got those buy orders going down for FXS. And that's what I'm holding in my accounts right now. Again, if you want to trade, under the video, go down in the description in the pinned comment. Take the steps 1, 2, 3. The first step is learn all of this. Take the course. Make sure you understand everything you're doing here. And you need to take the course before joining this group, the Telegram, so you understand what you're doing with the other traders. You'll learn to set up your charts, how to open trades on cryptos, how to set stop losses, take profits, how to actively trade, what crypto is, how it all works. Take the course 1, 2, trade on Bybit. You get that $30,000 bonus when you use that link and meet the trading requirements. And then 3, join that trading group. It's free. The Guru chat. It has 8,765 members in there. 8,700. And you can see I share videos, just ideas like my schedule. You can see all the different things that are shared in here and people chatting and discussing together. You can see here that they're taking longs. This student took a long on Ethereum. Also, he's following this trade, and you can just see that the different he's $80 in profits on that trade, and this was from yesterday, so you can just see all the conversations people have. This student made 207% shorting Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Ethereum right on the support, and you can join those. All the links are in the description and the pinned comment. Eventually, this too shall pass. Crypto, it went from, when I was involved in crypto, it was a few $100 million market cap. Now we're at $1 trillion. At the peak of the bull market, we reached $3 trillion. Eventually, in my opinion, what will happen when crypto is at $10 trillion? That's a question I propose to you. Right now, I'm buying into Uniswap, FXS, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and IOTA. I will start adding positions. That's on the and MCRT. That's on the crypto side of things. In the stock side of things, I've got Tesla, Google, Facebook, TSM. Those are the main holdings on stocks. In the next video, in 12 hours, I'm going to do technicals on the Nasdaq and the tech stocks before the American stock market opens. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell notification. What are you buying? Comment down below what your portfolio is in the comment section. Love you all. Have an amazing day. See you in that free Telegram. All the links are in the description. The steps 1, 2, 3. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.